Welcome to Culion, a captivating paradise in Palawan, Philippines. Local communities rely on fishing for their livelihood, but this has not always been easy for the fisherfolk due to the scarcity of fish in their waters.
Lumabas ako doon, naghanap ako ng isda, nadiskrasya ako doon. Sana dapat may magtulong naman sa amin na malagyan ulit ng mga bakaw yan.
With GCash, the #1 finance super app, you can make things better. Each digital transaction earns you green energy points, which you may use to plant virtual trees in GForest. Our partners then turn these into actual trees for free. Plant the seeds for a sustainable future, one green energy point and mangrove at a time.
As of to date, meron kaming naitanim na is 80,000 seedlings. We have 8 barangay project sites. To date, meron kaming 104 plus families na natulungan na direct beneficiaries.
Be part of the digital eco-movement to save the Philippine forest. Salamat GCash at salamat GForest Green Heroes.